Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we did have a flag yesterday, but it doesn't look like that flag played out. We do have a crossover of the oscillators here, so I think we're pretty much still confused. I think the whole market's confused, and if you look at this weekly structure, we are definitely confused. So trying to build a base here at 111,500, nice round number, and that's kind of what we're doing all week. And you can see, today we've already started moving. It could be a bit of a tweezer top type setup here that's driving price down, but the trend is up, so we're looking for opportunities to buy. I just don't see them at the moment. So there was our flag from yesterday there. Then we just went sideways in amongst moving averages. We did come down and test structure at 111,500. Bounced off that, but now look where price is again. So we're now back below the moving averages. So I'm not convinced that firstly this was a flag, and just shows you how often those your flag setups, and they look textbook stuff and then they don't play out, and it happens quite often. That's just because we've been ambushed. But anyway, we've got a solid bit of structure here that we did break through, and now we've broken to the downside, so that's another problematic area. And then there is even another area here where price is. So 111,658 and 111,736 are two very important areas. And if we come to the 15 minutes, you'll see the absolute chaos from yesterday, above and below the moving averages. Then we eventually break through in the US session, and now we break through in the Asian session to the downside. So yeah, European session wouldn't surprise me if it's sideways like this, and then break back up with the US session and then break down with the Asian session. So there's just complete confusion happening at the moment. And while they are trying to figure out what to do and what direction to go, I think the safest bet for me would be to sit back and wait for them to sort their nonsense out, because you're going to try and second guess this, and it's just pointless. There's no real structure that's formed, and we're not adhering to the structure that's on the table at the moment. So that's kind of my short and sweet view this morning. Is we're staying away from the markets basically. Not interested in the indexes, not interested in the forex here. So we'll just have a look at this again tomorrow. Hopefully by then we should have some structure. Maybe there's some data coming out today that everybody's waiting for, or some statement or something that everybody's waiting for, because there's definitely something that the market's waiting for, and they're not willing to move forward or backwards at the moment. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.